Wizard.
Hi, I'm Everett Abrams, the Wizard of Wood for DRP Enterprises and Deck Restoration Plus. And today we're actually on a location where we're actually cleaning composite deck. A composite deck. It's actually Trex decking. And we built this deck a few years ago. And one of the nice things about our company and what we do is we're able to not just build decks for you, we can also do the ongoing cleaning and maintenance. So if you trust us to build a deck, you're going to trust us to certainly keep it clean and nice and not void manufacturer recommendations. It's very easy, to void the warranty by using the wrong chemicals or products. For example, Trex does not like bleach on their deck. So here we are using detergents and soaps to clean it, hand scrubbing it, and then rinsing it off, as you see going on in the background. So we just don't take care of wood. We just don't build the decks, but we also clean them and take care of them. We're cleaning, restoration, building, A to Z. That's what we do. Another example of what we do. People ask us what Deck Restoration Plus means. The plus means a whole lot. Plus cleaning your composite decks. I'm Everett Abrams, the Wizard of Wood. Thanks for checking out the video. And give us a call locally at 609-268-3436 and we'll get you a free estimate.